30 meters. Number 8.
The chronograph can measure elapsed time, up to 4 hours. Press the top pusher to start the chronograph. The fourth center hand will begin moving in 1/5 of a second increments. The upper subdial measures total elapsed time in hours with 10-minute indicators. The lower subdial indicates elapsed minutes and flies back every 10. To pause the chronograph, press the top pusher. Then, press it again to resume. To reset, press the bottom pusher while the chronograph is stopped. To measure laps while the chronograph is running.
Number 7. Case diameter 38 millimeters. Excellent timepiece. What a nice watch it is. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny.
Once you've set up your Global Trainer watch, you're ready to train. GPS technology is meant to work outdoors. Press and hold the power button to turn the Global Trainer on. The Timex Ironman logo appears on the display, and the watch will immediately begin searching to acquire a GPS signal. This may take several minutes the first time you use the watch, but less than 90 seconds for subsequent startups. With GPS signal acquired, press the Mode button until you see Performance. The most recently viewed screen appears. I've chosen 4 panes for my display: distance, pace, time split, and heart rate. Remember, you can customize each view and choose from over 40 pieces of data to show in each display. When I'm ready to run, I press the Start button. The Global Trainer begins its live update of my run, telling me how far, how fast, and how long I've gone. One of the great features allows you to set the watch to take hands-free splits based on distance or time interval.
Number 5. Adjustable black 18mm leather strap, black dial with crystal accents, automatic movement with 40-hour power reserve, gold tone 38mm stainless steel case, water resistant 250 meter. Number 4. A sleek and sophisticated classic stainless steel case, leather strap with adjustable buckle closure, 3-hand analog display with automatic movement, water resistant up to 100 feet. Number 3. 38mm manual glass face, stainless steel case, Quartz movement, indigo night light, water resistant to 50 meter.
This, my friends, is the new Timex Ironman Classic 50 Move Plus. We've taken our best-selling watch and added some really cool new features to it. Inside is a 3D accelerometer, Bluetooth smart sensor, and a near-field communication sensor, or NFC, which is for specific Android phones. This means your watch now tracks your activity all day long, steps, distance, calories burned, and shows your progress towards your goals. It also syncs with the free Timex Connected app for either iOS or Android, allowing you to upload your activity information, connect with your calendars, get appointment reminders on your wrist, do all the setup, time of day, alarms, interval timers, etc. on your phone, and download that to the watch. And you'll love this, it has all the convenience and durability of a Timex Ironman. 100-meter water resistance, and a coin cell battery, so no recharging required. The Timex Ironman Classic 50 Move Plus, your favorite sports watch, only smarter. To learn more, please visit timex.com/classic.
Number 1. Stainless steel watch case. Quick release leather strap. Day and date window. Water resistant to 50 meters. Hello friends, if you like my video, please like, comments and subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any question, please comments in a comment section. Thanks for watching again.